All right. Hey, 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 hey. Well, here we go. Here we go. That's kind of cool looking. Come on. Maybe. Yeah, that's a good catch. Well, what do you think it is? What the hell? Well, what the hell? This is a pretty... What the hell? You know, I'm beginning to Dragon Night Ride Dragon. They abandoned me. I drove this son of a bitch by myself at night, them assholes.
What?
Yeah, asshole friends of mine. Then we were just at the have you heard of the Devil's Staircase? So we were just up there.
I heard that one's pretty gnarly.
Oh, thousands of people there.
Wow.
Were you able to get into my channel?
Is it MCCORMIC?
M-I-C-K. Okay, check that. Thousands of people there, right? Me and one other guy are the only ones that had beer hand delivered to us. The whole crowd. You got to check it out. Look at when you get onto my channel. There's a bunch of videos, but you're gonna look for 2023 Devil's Staircase beer run. So I kind of worded it like I was going to do the beer run, but the beer run was brought to me.
That's cool.
Yeah.
That's really cool.
I'm a word guy. I used to sell screenplays too.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, so I kind of know what I'm doing. I mean, I better crank out 50 videos.
Right.
You get in there yet?
No, I can't find you.
Come on.
Here,
Bruce
we'll type
McCormick.
in. Oh,
Let me.
here. Yeah, you type. I put Bush for
Bush.
Some, yeah.
Bruce.
BRUCE.
Where'd you get this guy?
Oh yeah, there you are.
Yeah. Subscribe to us. Give a little like. Oh, I got a new subscriber. What's your name?
Trevor.
Trevor, you're the greatest. Even though you spelled say Bruce.
Hey.
Or what did he say? What was it?
Bush.
Bush. And what's your name?
Carolyn.
Carolyn,
Nice to meet you.
thank you for both subscribing. Check that out.
Yeah,
that
definitely.
video. And then there's all kinds of stuff in there. You guys will have fun.
Yeah.
Yeah. I tell you what, I used to run motocross when I was younger.
Right.
And then hare scrambles. I never won a motocross, but I did win 2 hare scrambles, which is, that's an endurance race. But
Right.
the motocross people, they're freaking, I mean, I was nuts, but these guys are even nuttier than me,
Hey, on the wild side, right?
Yeah. But man, you go up there and these guys have running up that staircase. Oh, I'd never do that in a million years. Oh
crazy.
my God, they're nuts.
They
But it
are.
was fun to watch them.
Oh yeah.
Hey, you guys have a good night.
Hey, you as well.
Okay. I just wish they were open. Is any of that open over there?
The food places. That's
Oh, it is? Okay, cool. Great. Thank you, guys.